Hey guys, today I'm gonna check out this backpack electric sprayer that I see for bathing purposes, and I think that it's nice because it has a 16-liter tank for the water, making it really versatile to being wearing everything out. You have different shower heads, and we got the instruction manual right here. Okay, let's take everything out of the box in which it came. We got the battery charger right here and the proper backpack. Okay. See, this is it. You can use it on many different scenarios depending of what you need. It's how you are going to use it, okay? And you get the extension like this. Okay, you just have to twist it on like this, okay? And as you can see, it has a really simple, nice design, okay? In here you get the speed control and everything to open it up here, and all the different power rates that you need. Okay, in here you have the battery pack. You just have to slide it in here, and with all the different attachments that it comes included, it's gonna be really nice to use. Okay, so let me go ahead and give it a quick read through instruction manual, and let's see how it works, and let's test it out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so using it couldn't be easier. You just fill the that container with water upon the level that you need, and as you can see, it comes with different interchangeable heads to use them depending on what you need. This is like a shower one, like we have another one, a mist one, like, and this one, which is the one that I'll be using. And I think that they are nice because all of them, they are micro adjustments that you can make, so the pressure and the way that the water comes out, it's different. Okay, and as you can see, you can adjust it. Okay, I'm gonna twist it up like this, and you can water everything really nice. This battery-powered backpack sprayer is designed to take the hassle out of spraying while delivering durability, comfort, and power in every use. It's built from seamlessly thickened high-density polyethylene, and the tank is tough, leak-proof, and it's ready to perform in reliability between any weather. It doesn't have any kind of leak, making it real nice for long-lasting performance. And efficiency is where this sprayer shines. A powerful 21 volts lithium battery can give you up to 20 fuel tanks per charge, or about 3 hours of continuous spraying. And because it's compatible with Makita batteries, swapping power sources is quick and easy, so you can keep working without interruption. Plus, the low voltage protection ensures safe operation at all times. It's also designed for convenience. The wide mode opening makes filling simple, and the semi-transparent tank with side markers lets you monitor the leak levels at a glance. And it has a innovative bottom drainage hole that makes emptying and cleaning effortless. So when it comes to performance, this sprayer delivers. With a adjustable pressure up to 100 psi, a spray range for over 30 inches, and a 41-inch telescopic extension wand, you can handle everything from precise spot treatments to wet coverage jobs with ease. And it's really versatile too. I think that between lawn and garden work, this sprayer is perfect for any kind of watering, fertilizing, disinfecting, or general cleaning that you need to do, even washing your vehicles or bathing your pets. I think that it has a different and countless uses for just one tool. And as it combines heavy-duty durability, efficient battery performance, and a comfort-focused design, I think that this is a all-in-one reliable package. Okay guys, and as you can see, it's quite nice. It's really versatile depending on whatever you need. It can be used different kind of scenarios, which I think that it's nice in your backyard, in a forest, if you want to turn off something, if you want to level the ground and you want to settle part of the concrete. I think that it's really nice. You can use it with different kind of sprayer heads that comes included, which I think that it's really nice. And I think that it's nice that it uses this kind of batteries, which I think that makes it really perfect. It's quite nice. I love that it comes also with a drainage plug and everything, and it feels of a solid construction. It has a really large tank, making it perfect to use it a wall and don't being bothered by having it to refill every once in a while, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.